In 2023, Volkswagen propels itself further into the forefront of the electric revolution with the all-new Volkswagen Id4, expertly engineered with a host of innovative features and a dynamic, eco-conscious design. The 2023 model shines brightly with an expanded range of 350 miles on a single charge, courtesy of its advanced 82-kilowatt battery pack. It introduces a novel regenerative braking system, incorporating efficiency in every drive. The Id4 comes equipped with Volkswagen's state-of-the-art ID Pilot semi-autonomous driving system, enabling smart navigation and enhanced safety on every route. Its interior is an elegant fusion of sustainability and technology, with a high-resolution 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging, and Apple CarPlay or Android Auto integration, alongside seats lined with Apple Skin Trademark, a vegan material made from apple waste. With a 0 to 60 time of 5.8 seconds, the 2023 Volkswagen Id4 presents a stylish, eco-friendly, and powerfully advanced driving experience, perfect for the discerning driver of the future.